Alright, we're talking about the blower motor on the 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and mine was making a noise, that's why I replaced it. Now, this is the box it came in. You need to make sure when you get the box that it's not damaged really. On those three locations where I show here, that's where it's screwed into the dashboard with 3 screws. And here there is the wire harness clipped in. So there is the wire harness coming from here, clipped in there, and then going into this plug. There's just plus and minus 12 volt on there. When I pull this out, then we take a look at the old one here. Now, damages on this one. That thing was in from day one. I bought the car new. And let's zoom in and focus a little bit here. So there's damage to it. First of all, this is the rust, so you can see it's the old one. The whole cage is pressed onto that shaft there. You see the scratch there? There's like weird plastic damage. It's super weird. I don't know what that does. And then on the outside of the fins here, there's all the way around this mark. It's odd. It was super clean in there, so this has an interior filter there, and there is no leaves or anything, twigs, nothing in there. Super clean. Like a hamster cage, this thing. And you can see in here there's those little weights for the balancing. There's also one on the inside there. So this has to be balanced like the same way as the wheel has to be balanced. Right, then, and finally, while I show all this, I'm gonna run this one quick here on my bench to see how it sounds like, how it whistles, if it does. That's what it is. It pulls 15 amps. Isn't that unbelievable? I think the fuse is like a 20 amp fuse. And I'm gonna move it around a little to here, if you hear the noise. Yeah, that's the noise. So like that kind of noise it made when it's installed in the car, when it's like much louder in the car. It's like annoying. But other than that, it still seems to work fine. So that it still blows air, it's just annoying loud. And the new one is perfectly quiet, so let me see. I don't know how to create the noise or what the problem is here. And you can't take it further apart without breaking it. It's like the main problem is to get the hamster cage here off that shaft. Yep.